What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with your Monday motivation, just like every single Monday. So I'm here to get you guys up and ready for this upcoming week, excited, ready, enthusiastic to push and attack another week, go after your goals and chase your dreams. So now the topic of today's Monday motivation is be aggressive. That is the subject of today's video. Now the reason I'm saying that is because you guys, all have goals, dreams, things you want to accomplish in this life. And it's the same for me. I've had so many things I wanted to accomplish. And I realized that there are some things I was able to accomplish, but I didn't because I wasn't aggressive enough. Or there are some things where I was so close to, getting there, but I just wasn't pushing hard enough. So that's why today's video I'm talking about being aggressive and why it's important to be aggressive, what you need to do, how you can be aggressive, and how you can push for your goals and dreams. Now, before we get into that, please appreciate my efforts today on this Monday motivation and drop that thumbs up. No, I'm not at home, but still I'm here making a video, just sitting on the edge of my bed, making this Monday motivation for you guys today. So like I said, just drop that thumbs up. Let's hit 60 likes on today's video. Now, let's talk about being aggressive and being in pursuit of your goals and dreams. Now, to begin with, I do want to say, think about all those things you use. Think about the things you eat. Think about the things you wear. Do you think that, owners of Nike, the makers of Apple, the people who created Dell, Sony, do you think they weren't aggressive when it came to their goals and dreams? Do you think they sat back, were hesitant, were soft when they wanted something? No, not at all. They were relentless. That's what I'm saying, be aggressive. If you want to win something, if you want to really get somewhere, think about the competition. Think about all the other people who want to accomplish what you want to accomplish. And now imagine there are only a few spots available. Do you think the people who sit back and are a bit shy, a bit timid, don't really push are going to get that? Not at all. That's what I'm saying, be aggressive. Now, the thing is, when it comes to competition, yes, you got to be aggressive. But take into consideration the fact that even if it's just personal goals of yours and stuff you want to get done, like maybe losing weight, maybe getting in shape, maybe becoming stronger, maybe becoming fitter, becoming faster, even then you're competing against yourself and you have to be aggressive towards your goals. You cannot let things like the weather stop you. You cannot let things like, people's comments stop you. You cannot let things like the thoughts in your heads or, how many hours you slept or didn't sleep. You can't let all those things stop you from getting where you want to get to. I'm telling you, there's going to be so many barriers, obstacles, things that stop you along your way. But if you're aggressive, if you're relentless, if you go in there with the attitude that it doesn't matter what comes in my way, I'm going after this, I'm making it happen, you're going to go very far and you're going to get a lot closer to your goals than you probably think you can get. Everybody who goes out there with an attitude of, I can maybe make it work, maybe make it happen, those are the people who are not guaranteed to get any results. They're really not. Now, let's say you do want to lose weight, or even if you just want to run to get in shape, or you're training for a marathon, it doesn't matter what it is. Each day you wake up, each day you get ready to run, you're going to say, I don't care if it's cold, if it's windy, if it's too hot, if it's snowy, I don't care what it is. I'm going out there on a mission to get this done. I'm going out there on the track to improve my times. I'm going out there to run around my city, for 10 miles. You don't care what it is. You're relentless. You're in pursuit of something. You're not letting anything stop you. That is what it means to be relentless. That is what it means when I say be aggressive. Same as, those of you who play sports, you guys know. If you play those sports which are intense, if you're losing in the last few minutes, if you're tying the game, you want to win, you have to be aggressive. When it comes to tackling, when it comes to attacking the other team's goal, when it comes to challenging, when it comes to competing, you have to be aggressive. And in those situations, it's even worse because if you're not aggressive, you don't really push hard and you really go for it, you're not going to win. Now the thing is, when it comes to your own personal goals, sometimes you might get away with not being aggressive. But I'm telling you guys today, be aggressive. I don't care what it is. If it's studies, it can be related to anything. If it's studying, you want to get those top marks, be aggressive. Go out there and say, I don't care what's on social media. I don't care what show came out on Netflix last night. Today, I'm going in with the attitude of, I need to get these assignments done. I need to start reading this. I need to start putting in this. I need to put in this many hours. I need to do whatever it takes so I can start pushing myself to getting those grades, getting those A's, getting that 4.0 GPA, whatever it may be for you. Everyone has different situations, so you guys will relate to my message in different ways. But again, it can be addressed for anything. If you want to, do YouTube, you can say, you know what? I've been slacking recently. I've not made enough videos. You can say to yourself, today I'm making one. Tomorrow I'm making the next one. I might not have time on Thursday and Friday, but I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 over the next couple of days and release them Thursday and Friday. I'm going to record them early and edit them on time and then get them out. I'm going to find any way to get what I want. I'm pushing for 5,000 subscribers by the end of next year. I'm going to start promoting myself. I'm going to start, investing in doing ads. I'm going to start making things happen. I'm going to start investing in new equipment. Those are the kind of thoughts you have to have when you want to pursue something. You have to go at it with that aggressiveness. Now, that's not to say that you start, wasting money, you're indecisive, or you make hasty decisions, or you just behave rash. That is not that. But if you know what you have to do, or you have an idea of what you have to do, you push hard, you accelerate the process, and you get those results quicker. You find out what you need to do, what you need to tweak, how you can change things, how you can better things a lot quicker and being a little bit soft, being a little bit scared, a little bit timid of pushing for something. Now, I know a lot of you guys out there are not built that way. A lot of you may not possess that natural, ability to really push for something, go aggressively at something. But when it comes to your goals and dreams, there are going to be certain moments where you have to tap into that. You have to learn that you can't always be, that person who has like a silent hunger or a softer hunger. You have to be relentless. You have to really attack, push, go after it, no matter what. Now, you see, the reason I say that is because the opportunities you get, you might get them once every week. You might get them a few times in a lifetime. It doesn't matter. But if you don't take those opportunities, if you don't go after it with the right mentality, with the right attitude, you're never actually going to take advantage of the opportunity and get to where you desire to be. That is why I say you have to be aggressive. So this week, be aggressive. And again, I'm telling you, be aggressive in the right way. I'm not saying if you want something and someone's not letting you have it, you go and punch them and be aggressive that way. I'm not saying if you want to get somewhere quicker, you start, shouting at everyone, being impatient, doing all that kind of stuff. I'm not saying that. If you're stuck in traffic, don't be aggressive, start driving crazy. Do not do that. But if you are holding yourself back from achieving whatever it may be, maybe it's 10 push-ups per day, go out there, be aggressive and say, you know what, first thing tomorrow I wake up, I'm aggressive with this. I'm going to hit those 10 push-ups. I'm going to hit those 15 push-ups, whatever it may be. I'm supposed to be running each and every day. I don't care. Tomorrow, I don't care who's messaging me, who's asked me to do what or this or that. I'm going off my goals aggressively. I'm doing this run. I'm going on this run. I'm going to go and jog. I'm going to do exercise. Again, whatever it may be, I'm telling you, you shouldn't just take this as sports or studying. It should be for your work. It should be for whatever you do. For those of you who have been in sales, you guys know that end of year period is a time where you have to be aggressive with sales, because people are going to take breaks, people are going to go on holiday, people are going to be a little bit more relaxed, and they might not always, have time for you. But if you're aggressive, you go out there with the right mentality, you know how to push, push certain buttons as well, you will get somewhere with those people. And that's the exact same you have to be with yourself. So you can relate this message to, how you treat yourself. You can relate this message to how you treat your goals. You can relate this message to so many different areas of your life. But this week, the aim, the idea is to push relentlessly, be aggressive. And it's the same way, when you were younger, if you had, certain parties where, you played musical chairs or something like that, when you're walking around those chairs and you guys are slowly dancing to music, in your mind, like the moment this music stops, I'm going to sit on that chair first. I'm going to beat everyone to it. That's the aggression you have to have. And you see how kids scrap, they really try and be that person who sits under that chair first and be the last one standing. That's how you need to be with your goals. Say, I don't care what outside factors are there. I don't care what any factors, internal, external, no matter what they are. I'm doing this. I'm getting this done. I'm going to push hard. And, you might not always get to where you desire to be. You might not. But you will know, hey, I was aggressive. I attacked it. Now I've learned things that which I never knew before. I've got results quicker. I can now feed off those and make better decisions. You learn a lot of different things. You gain a lot of new ideas. You go through a lot of new experiences, and those all help you to grow, to push for the next goal, to go out and get after the next dream. It's all a part of it, but a lot of people don't realize that. A lot of people think if they go after something and they don't succeed, oh well, it's a failure. I didn't accomplish this. I didn't succeed. It's not always that. If you're aggressive, you also learn a lot more about yourself. Sometimes being relentless, being aggressive can even take you outside your comfort zone, which is never a bad idea. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter what you do. Again, I cannot repeat it enough. You guys own businesses, you guys do e-commerce, be aggressive. You guys want to make sales for your job, be aggressive. You guys want to close more customers, get more clients, be aggressive. You guys want to grow your channel, grow your social media following, be aggressive. If you have to go and DM every single person who follows you for 2 years straight, do that. I'm telling you, there are so many crazy scenarios, but if you're aggressive and you start pushing hard, being relentless, you realize, actually, I can do this. The possibility is there. And that is all I have to say for today's message. So as always, I'm trying to help people become closer to financial freedom, more control of their time, one step closer to success, get further along their path or their journey to being where they would desire to be. And hopefully with today's video, I've done that. As always, with the Monday Motivations, I'm here to motivate you guys. So hopefully today, you guys are now motivated to attack another week, ready to go after another week, get after anything you're trying to do. Also, like I stated at the beginning of the video, please make sure you guys drop that thumbs up. It is definitely appreciated. Remember, like I said, 60 likes is what we're trying to hit today. So please let us get that done. If you're new around here, make sure you guys hit that red button below, subscribe to the channel. This is the Money Management. I upload videos similar to this. You can go check out the channel and see what else is there. Also, make sure you guys are commenting on these videos as you guys always do. We keep hitting 100 comments on each and every video. That's great. And lastly, but most importantly, please make sure to share these videos with your friends. Let's get them out to more people, help more people become motivated, spread the right energy, give them that positive energy, and get them feeling right in the right frame of mind for going to a new week. Also, please make sure to check out all of the different links in the description. We have Time Gear watches, my smart watch company. Go check us out. We have men's watches, women's watches. There's a load of different watches. Like I said, go check us out. Also, we've got cryptocurrency, stocks, a free guide to online business, all of it in the link in the description below. So check those out. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. That's it from me. I've got into making. You've got goals to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.